Yes, I want everybody to understand the meaning of personality. Personality क्या है? Personality is the study of the characteristic traits of an individual, the interrelations between them, and the way which a person responds and adjusts to other people and situation. ये तो लिख दिया था खुलासा ने, but as a general human being, as a simple human being, हम पर्सनालिटी को कैसे डेवलप करेंगे या कैसे हम डिफाइन करेंगे? सबसे पहले we need to understand that personality is judged by your external appearance. हम जब यहाँ से एंटर करेंगे, देखो I give you an example. You are all teachers who would be teaching, right? तो आप लोग जब क्लास में एंटर करते हो तो ये इंग्लिश टीचर को पढ़ाना था लेसन स्नेक। अब जैसे हम क्लास में एंटर करते हैं लास्ट पीरियड में, आधा क्लास सोया हुआ रहता है। 7th पीरियड में अगर गेम्स हो तब तो और बुरा हाल, पसीना से खत्म कराते हैं। फिर उसके बाद बच्चे आके ऐसे पानी पीने जाते हैं जैसे लगता है कि यार अरे she told the students, she just looked at the students and then she said कि अरे अरे there is a snake under your table. जैसे वो बोली कि there is a snake under your table, what happened to the children over there? What happened? Yes, all the teachers at the back. Come on, क्या हुआ उन बच्चों को? When they heard that there is a snake under your table, definitely snakes frighten you all, है ना? उस टेबल पे तो आप बैठोगे नहीं. Along with the children, the teacher also jumped forward. Children also stepped away from their place. And then they said, "Ma'am, कहाँ है? Where is that snake?" So the teacher said that here it is there. Open your textbook, page number 20. We have the snake, right? So this has to be the attitude. This has to be the personality of any teacher. जब भी कोई भी subject पढ़ाने जाएंगे आप लोग,